Beneath the deep icy waters, a proto-microcontinent formed between Greenland and Canada. It is a submerged piece of continental crust about 12 to 15 miles long. The continent began assembling nearly 61 million years ago, during the separation of Greenland and Canada. The critical plate movements occurred between 33 and 61 million years ago. According to the study, this recently recognized block of continent crust was formed due to prolonged rifting and seafloor spreading that created the Labrador Sea and Baffin Bay. Continent took millions of years to form, a process that developed in the Davis Strait around the time the direction of plate movements changed from northwest-southwest to east-west.
Buried under a mile of ice, it's never been seen by human eyes. But using ice-penetrating radar, scientists have discovered a giant canyon carved into Greenland's bedrock. More than 400 miles long and up to a half-mile deep, shown here is the dark brown groove in the center of the island. The canyon is thought to predate Greenland's massive ice sheet. The hidden feature was discovered by a team led by the University of Bristol, using radar data from a number of airborne campaigns from the United Kingdom and Germany, and a NASA mission called Operation Icebridge, which surveys this region with a range of different instruments every year to monitor changes in the Greenland ice sheet. From the interior of Greenland, the canyon snakes around up to the fjord of the Petermann Glacier on the northern coast, and researchers suspect it may play a major role in transporting meltwater below the ice into the Arctic Ocean.
But at the same time, with the massive weight of the ice being removed, the island would also steadily begin a process known as isostatic rebound. And it's believed to be a tremendously ancient geographic feature of the island because it was most likely carved out by a mighty ancient river system of the very distant past, and not by any of the ice or glaciers of the past several million years that have kept its presence a very well-hidden secret now for millennia. Were the ice sheet to be removed, this canyon could prove to be one of the greatest and most glorious of Earth's natural wonders to behold. But since a great deal of it is presently beneath sea level, it would also likely end up being flooded with water after the ice sheet melts. If and when the ice sheet melts in the future, much of the interior of Greenland that has been pushed beneath sea level by the weight of the ice for eons now could end up transforming into a vast interior lake or sea that could potentially serve to even further accelerate the island's warming process.